I never expected that a simple cleaning day would completely change my life. Last month, I decided to clean the old storage room in my house. It was a small, dusty room where I kept boxes I hadn't opened in years. Most of the things inside were old books, broken electronics, and childhood memories I didn't really think about anymore. I was going through one of the oldest boxes when I noticed something strange. At the bottom of the box, hidden under a stack of old papers, there was a small envelope. It looked very old. The paper had turned slightly yellow, and there was no name written on the outside. Just a simple envelope, sealed but worn with time. At first, I thought it was probably something unimportant, maybe an old bill or some random document. But something about it made me curious, so I opened it. Inside was a single letter, written by hand. The handwriting looked familiar, but I couldn't immediately remember where I had seen it before. I started reading. The letter began with the words, "If you're reading this, it means you finally found the truth." My heart started beating faster. The letter explained that it was written many years ago by someone very close to me, someone who had been hiding a secret for a long time. As I continued reading, I slowly realized something shocking. The letter was written by my father, but the strange thing was, my father had passed away 10 years ago. The letter explained that there was something he had never told me while he was alive, something he believed I needed to know one day. According to the letter, the life I thought I understood was not the full story. My father wrote that many years ago before I was born. He made a decision that changed everything. He had the chance to take a business opportunity that could have made our family extremely wealthy. But taking that opportunity would have meant leaving his family behind and moving to another country for many years. He said he chose not to take it. Instead, he chose to stay with his family, to be present while I grew up. He wrote that sometimes he wondered if he had made the right decision. But in the final lines of the letter, he explained something that hit me deeply. He said that success isn't always about money or power. Sometimes success means choosing the people you love over everything else. The letter ended with one final sentence. "I may not have given you a life of luxury, but I hope I gave you something more valuable." When I finished reading the letter, I just sat there in silence. For years, I had always wondered why our family struggled financially while other families seemed to live so comfortably. I had even questioned some of the choices my father made. But now I finally understood. He didn't choose the easier path, he chose us. That small hidden letter changed the way I looked at my life, my past, and the meaning of success. Sometimes the greatest things our parents give us aren't money or opportunities. Sometimes it's simply their presence. And now, every time I walk past that storage room, I remember the letter that changed everything.